I'm Jeff Schlaver. I've been working with Matellio since 2019. My roles here is a senior product manager. At present, I oversee about 7 different projects. I'm going to go with our co-innovation, I call it, is working closely together with our clients. So basically, it's like a partnership. We're then focused together as a co-innovation. We're focused on the business outcome that they need. It's a specific solution for them, as opposed to some generic off-the-shelf software that anybody can just build and then, may or may not meet their needs. VR. So we're working in the world of VR now. So we've got we're going to use the nice Oculus headsets in the VR. We're going to stream a therapy session of sort of things between a group therapy. So 1 to 10 different people can be on a session, and we'll be doing it through VR, Unity coding, and we'll interface to the web pages. So there will actually be an API for the web interfaces, and that's all done in newer languages. So we're on leading edge technology here. So we're not just sitting down doing PHP or even GPS, which are global parking services. Yes. I mean, that's an application and client that we've developed what I remember I talked about the co-innovation. Mm-hmm. We are co-innovating with them. We've created a great relationship with them. We're now on a third phase of adding to his product. And we've already got a 4th one planned out with him. Talk about fast. That's keeping up with technology too. And the speed of technology. If you don't partner and co-innovate with your clients or your customers, you're not going to be able to meet the necessary speed to market, the time to market, or to develop the customized solution that the customer needs as opposed to the off-the-shelf market where they only get like 40% or 50% functionality that they really want.